Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to take screenshots on Android. So without wasting our time, let's get started. The first method I'm going to teach you is that you have to press the volume button and home button at the same time and you'll be able to take screenshot. So here I have done. You have to press on this volume button and home button at the same time. So the second method I'll tell you, go to the page where you want to take the screenshot or open the page on your phone where you want to take the screenshot. Scroll down to notification panel and here tap on screenshot. So you'll be able to take the screenshot. And the last method is that you have to use your three fingers and drag it at the same time, so you'll be able to take the screenshot on Android. So these are the three methods you can use to take screenshots. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.